Hello, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. Today lecture about the footnote system. Let us have a start. Here you are an example of footnote example in your research work. Ideal example. So first of all, what are the purposes of footnotes? The first purpose, they may make it legal to publish word from another writer. The second purpose, they carry out an old tradition of honor among scholars. The third purpose, they enable a reader independently to consult sources of information. The fourth purpose, they furnish adults in full information regarding sources. It is worth mentioning that footnotes should not be used when they are not needed. So when should we use footnotes? It is needed to give the sources of any fact that is very little known. It is used when you express a theory or opinion derived from another writer. Any plan or organization of material, an arrangement of statistics should belong to a source. It is occasionally used to refer the reader to sources which give more detail on a specific point. So what are the kinds of footnotes? Notes may be in one of two forms, footnotes or endnotes. Footnotes are placed in the bottom of the page that contain the material they refer to, while endnotes are grouped together and a separate section at the end of the paper. Most printers prefer to have footnotes inserted in the main script immediately after the passage which they annotated. In some works, a system of the tricks and the daggers indicate the notes, a series of index numbers being a new on each page. Sometimes the first footnote is numbered as number 1 and the other in a continuous series to the end of the easy. It is suggested to serve its particular purpose. Here are a comparison between footnotes and bibliography. Because as we mentioned that one of the purposes that we use footnotes is to document a related work. While explanatory footnotes, as a matter of fact, the note here should be worded more briefly says, the material of an explanatory note is less important or less relevant than the text of your article. You may refer to the source of information and it is better than attempting your own account. But original footnotes are good place for personal opinions, comments of your study for further recommendation or suggestions. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Thanks for your time and for your listening. Have a good day.